Okay, for 1124, they are saying that you get 31 miles to the gallon, right? So, or miles, your car averages 31 miles per hour on the highway. Okay, which is interesting. Okay, so, and then it says it varies at most by 5 miles, right? So that means it can go up to here, 5, which would give us to 36, and it could go this way for 5, right, which would give us 26, right? All right, so, and it says varies from average by at most 5, right? So it can go to 36. Now, this means that they want an absolute value inequality. So the distance, right, these distances are 5. So the distance of something, right, has to be less than or equal to 5. And what that distance is the actual mileage, right, the actual mileage minus the 31, the middle. So it's 36 minus 31, that would be 5. And 26 minus 31 would be negative 5, but if we take the absolute value, we get it. So it means that we're going to take the mileage, right, minus the center point, and that has to be less than or equal to 35, right? You could think of it as the center point minus the mileage. That would be fine too. It's the same thing. So now it says to solve it, write an absolute value inequality. So we already know the solution though, right? The solution is, between 26, right, and 36, right? We know that that's the solution, but let's go ahead and solve it. So we split it into 2. We get m minus 31, right, is less than or equal to 5. And the other one is m minus 31 is greater than or equal to the opposite, negative 5. So we get m is less than or equal to, add 35, 36. And m is greater than or equal to 26, right? And the symbol here, this one, is less than, and we can remember our acronym, right? LAND, right? Less than is an AND, right? So this is an AND in there, right? So then if we take that, right, and we then, if we needed to, we could graph, right? We get 36, 26, greater than or equal to 26, less than or equal to 36, and is where they overlap, right? So the final graph would be 26, 36, and look like that. And then the final inequality we would write as that in concatenated form, or we would leave it as m is less than or equal to 36 and m is greater than or equal to 26. Either way is fine.